This is part of our magic series where we do questions that are a little bit out the box, and there are cool tricks to get us through the questions. So we trust that you enjoy this magic series question of finding the equation of a cubic graph. And so the first thing is, this would fall under the x-intercept method, and we chatted in a previous video about if the turning point is on the x-axis like it is at P, it counts as two brackets. And so if I just start it like normal, fx equals a as a placeholder, if the one x-intercept is -5, then the factor that gave you that was x plus 5. If the other one is p, I'm just going to call it x minus p, and because that bracket counts as two brackets, I'm going to square it. I can't just leave it as one bracket, because then it almost looks a bit like a parabola. And so that's the first trick. Don't be scared that there's just a p. Just follow your heart and carry on as normal. Then I'm saying to myself, oh, I'm missing one letter, or actually I'm missing two letters, so this is potentially a bit of a stuff up. But I noticed the extreme subtlety of the fact that the way that they laid it out, they actually hinted at what the a is, because there was no number in front of the x cubed. And so by doing that, they've actually given me a. So a is 1. And therefore, I'm only really missing one letter. What do I do when I'm missing one letter? I just sub in a point I haven't used yet. And so I'm going to sub in 0 and 20. 20 is the y value. The 1 is kind of a bit redundant, so let me just work at it from here. I'm subbing in the x value of 0. 5 plus 0 is just 5 times, and p minus p squared is p squared, so it's just 5p squared. Getting closer to the end goal. I should, when I square root something, I should say plus minus 2, but visually, always when you're in graphs, Cartesian planes, just look at where you are. So the p must have been 2. And now that I know that p is 2, I can go back to the equation where I'd started with the original factors, and all I need to do from here is just times it out, and I'll have the equation of this really interesting cubic graph. If you found that helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Please share with any friends that you feel would benefit from this.